Yes, hello once again. I'm Samuel Mugabi, and this is tutorial 2. And in this tutorial 2, we are going to cover how to access Schoolpesa and log in into the system. So basically, I'm going to take you so what is needed. Yeah, you need any device. You can go to your tablet, mobile phone, or a PC, and then you open a web browser. After you open a web browser, then you can open a tab. Then after opening a tab, you can we shall be giving, each school will have its own web domain. So the service is going to run on your website or web domain, and then you can access the system through your web domain that we shall be giving you. So I've put in a web domain and the service has loaded. So as I told you, the system runs online, so it is on a web portal. So it's accessed through a web service on your device. So to log in, it means you are a staff within the school. So you can log in. So what you need to log in is you need an email or phone number, and then you need a password or a PIN. It depends on what your administrator set for you. So I'm logging in as an admin in this tutorial. So if you have the credentials, then you can also log in. So I'm logging in as an admin. I put my email, then I put my password, then I sign in. So after signing in, that means we have accessed the Schoolpesa service. So you wait for it to load. As you can see, it has loaded and it is done. So basically that is our tutorial on how to access Schoolpesa and log in. So if you want to log out, you can just browse to this, and then you can click log out, and then you'll be able to log out. So let me click log out, and then I'll be able to log out. Thank you, and see you in our next tutorial. So in the next tutorial, we are going to cover, it will be tutorial 3, and we shall cover the Schoolpesa modules and their uses. Thank you, and bye.